Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate icing. Begin by sifting cocoa and powdered sugar to avoid lumps, then combine with softened butter and warm milk to form a glossy base. Stir gently until smooth, taste and adjust sweetness, and add vanilla or salt to balance flavor. Chill briefly if spreading, or thin with more milk for pouring, and always use room temperature tools for best texture. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results, using 1 cup powdered sugar to 3 tablespoons cocoa as a starting ratio. Cream butter until fluffy, then add dry mix gradually while alternating milk to reach desired thickness. Beat on low to avoid air bubbles, and scrape bowl while mixing to incorporate all ingredients. Taste and adjust with a pinch of salt or more sugar, keeping a smooth and glossy finish. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy cookbook videos, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading recipes anywhere, with crisp text and long battery life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals, then grab a snack. See you in a moment. I appreciate every view and comment. Now let's get back to the video. Control temperature carefully when warming milk or chocolate to prevent seizing, and never let mixtures boil. If icing becomes too thick, thin with a teaspoon of warm milk at a time until spreadable. For glossy sheen, finish with a slow stir and avoid overbeating, and if it gets grainy, warm briefly and whisk to smooth. Use immediately for nap consistency or chill slightly for piping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.